ProPILOT Assist is a hands-on driver assistance system that provides limited lane keeping and throttle and brake control assistance. It is not a self-driving system. ProPILOT Assist uses intelligent cruise control, or ICC, to maintain distance from preceding vehicles, and steering assist to help keep the vehicle near the center of the lane. To turn ProPILOT Assist on, push this switch. Accelerate or decelerate to your desired speed, then push this switch. These indicators will illuminate. When clear, consistent lane markers are present, ProPILOT will use steering assist to provide small steering corrections that help keep your vehicle near the center of the lane. When steering assist activates, a chime sounds and these indicators turn green. When it deactivates, a chime sounds and the indicators turn gray. If a vehicle is detected ahead, steering assist will operate even at low speeds. If there are no vehicles detected ahead, steering assist activates at speeds above approximately 37 miles per hour. Use this switch to turn steering assist on and off. ICC can continue to function. This setting can also be adjusted in the vehicle information display. If the wiper switch is in the high-speed position, steering assist will be canceled after a period of time. Intelligent Lane Intervention, or ILI, is an additional lane-keeping feature. If the vehicle approaches the lane markers, ILI sounds a warning, vibrates the steering wheel, and the lane marker on the display turns yellow and flashes. The system automatically applies brief steering force to help return the vehicle back to the traveling lane. Another feature of ProPILOT Assist is intelligent cruise control. When your speed is set, ICC monitors the speed of and distance to the vehicle ahead. If a slower-moving vehicle is detected, ICC will reduce your vehicle's speed. If you come closer to the vehicle ahead, a chime sounds and an indicator flashes. Depress the brake pedal to maintain a safe distance. When the vehicle ahead slows to a stop, yours can stop automatically. If your vehicle is stopped for less than 3 seconds and the vehicle ahead begins moving, your vehicle can begin moving again automatically. If you were stopped for longer, this message is displayed. Push up on this switch or depress the accelerator pedal to continue system operation and begin moving. There are 3 different distance settings that can be used: long, middle, and short. Push this switch to cycle through the distance options. Push this switch to turn the system off. Push and hold this switch to activate conventional cruise control mode. You can change between the 2 modes at any time, simply by turning the system off and back on. ProPILOT Assist also monitors the steering wheel to ensure the driver has at least one hand on the wheel at all times. If no hands are detected, the no hands on wheel sequence will begin. First, this warning will appear. Next, the warning will flash along with a series of escalating audible alerts and a brake pulsation. If still no steering input is detected, an emergency alert sounds and the vehicle will slowly be brought to a stop in the traveling lane. If steering input is detected during any of these warnings, the no hands on wheel sequence will be canceled. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, an indicator and/or a warning message may be displayed. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to resume normal system operation. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. If ProPILOT Assist malfunctions, it will be turned off automatically. A chime will sound, and this warning will appear. Stop the vehicle in a safe place, turn the engine off, and restart the engine. If the warning continues, there may be a malfunction. Although normal driving can be continued, the system should be inspected. It is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for this service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.